Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to run Rust on a low-end personal computer. First, begin by installing a lightweight Linux distribution, such as Lubuntu or Xubuntu, to maximize your system's resources. Pair this with a minimal desktop environment like XFCE or LXDE. Ensure your machine has at least 4 GB of RAM, and allocate 8 GB or more for swap space to handle memory-intensive tasks efficiently. Next, optimize your development environment. Install the Rust toolchain using RustUp for straightforward updates and component management. For coding, select a lightweight editor like Neovim or a stripped-down Visual Studio Code without many extensions. Remember to disable any unnecessary background services and startup applications to free up valuable system resources. Always compile your projects in release mode for the best performance. When setting up your Rust projects, efficiency is key. Utilize a cargo/config toml file to define default build flags, which can streamline your compilation process. If your target machine is extremely resource-constrained, consider cross-compilation on a more powerful system. Try to avoid incorporating overly large dependencies, as they significantly increase compilation times. Regularly clean your project with Cargo Clean to free up disk space. Finally, let's discuss testing and debugging on a low-end machine. To conserve memory, run your tests individually rather than executing the entire test suite at once. For debugging, opt for efficient command line tools such as GDB or LLDB. Regularly profile your code to pinpoint any performance bottlenecks. Always monitor your system's resources during development to ensure smooth operation and prevent unexpected slowdowns.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.